This is my Explain the Material assignment for Module 4, and let's get right to it. So the question says the population of a small town can be modeled by the equation f of t equals 4,800 times 1.02 to the power of t, where t is the number of years since the collection of the population data began. Which statement is true? A. The population grows at a rate of 102% each year. B. The population will reach a maximum of 4,800 people. C. The population was 4,800 when the collection of population data began. Or D. The population grew by 102 people each year since the collection of population data began. So let's go through this one at a time and look at option A. The population grows at a rate of 102% each year. This option is not correct. We know because if we look back at the problem right here, it says that it grows by 1.02%, not 102%. Having this decimal here makes a big difference. So that is why we know A is not the right answer. So mark that out. There you go. Okay, B. The population will reach a maximum of 4,800. We know this one is incorrect because you can't put a cap limit on population. This is not saying that the maximum can be 4,800. It's saying that when the collection of data began, it was at 4,800, which, coincidentally, well, not coincidence, obviously, that's what option C says. The population was 4,800 when the collection of population data began. Right now, I think this is the correct answer, so I won't cross it out, but just be sure, we need to go down and test option D. The population grew by 102 people each year since the collection of population data began. To test this, we need to grab a calculator and insert the equation into the calculator. So 4,800 times 1.02 equals 4,896. So that's how big the population would be after just 1 year. But to get only the amount that it grew, to find only the amount that it grew, what we would do is 4,800 times 0.02. Now doing this will show us how much it grew in the exact number it grew in the first year, which was 96. 96 does not equal 102, so we know that D is out as well. So that only leaves us with option C. The population was 4,800 right here. The equation tells us it was 4,800 when the collection of population data began.